was your mom's case about?
Well, my mom was being transported by a van that she's used many times to go to doctors, and the van crashed. And she ended up breaking both her legs and suffered 6 months until her death with that. So it was very, very painful for the whole family to have to see my mom suffer all those months. But my mom, she did mention the Poole Law Group and had us come to you, and that very same day, one of the attorneys came and met my mother, which was so surprising to see such
A fast reaction.
quick action on her behalf, and so it was tough. It was tough. We had to be very, very patient for several years. The other side gave us such a hard time, but in the end,
Mom got justice.
yes, I had the faith that this Poole Law Group was there for us the whole entire time. Any question we had for them, they answered. They took us in as though we were family.
How'd our staff do with you?
Staff was excellent. Staff was
Very supportive, very supportive.
like Lynn had said, we felt like family. We felt like we felt like we were the only case you were doing, and I'm sure it wasn't. You gave us the attention that we needed. All the staff, everybody. It was like being in the service. Everybody had a job, and they were 150% on the ball. I'm very satisfied with the reaction that we had gotten in the final end. Like I said, Mom passed away, but after several years of fighting with the other side, we got justice.
Was there ever a time where you weren't happy with what we were doing for you?
Not 1 minute.
No.
Not 1 minute.
Did you feel initially that you needed to hire a law firm, and did you figure out that's really what you needed to do, or did it seem like maybe you didn't need lawyers?
No, we needed a lawyer.
Absolutely.
ASAP.
Why is that?
Was the fact that she broke her legs in this company van.
I mean, they
And they were totally out of character for not being so more observant, being more safety
They
wise.
didn't strap her in the proper way. She fell out of the chair, broke her leg. They finally stopped when they got to the appointment area, picked her up again, told her to stand up and sit down on her own, and she couldn't because she had a broken leg. She dropped again, and that's when they broke the other leg. They were just so
at fault.
unprofessional. It wasn't funny.
But I guess what I was asking is, looking back, do you think you could have handled the case on your own?
No,
No.
And how
Not at
come?
no way, because there was too many elements involved to where we had to prove that it was not my mother's fault for her, for the accident that did happen. So, and Poole Law Group did it. They
It came through.
They came through. They came up with the facts and the proof.
And they came
and
up.
the proof, because the other side was trying to dismiss the whole thing, that it was even their fault, that she even it happened in their van, and they told me and my sister that we did not have a case, we didn't have anything to fall back on, and it was not their fault.
And the Poole Law Group came up with different angles of things that we would have not even thought about.
Exactly.
You know, I mean, I don't even know how they slept for that many years. They probably slept standing up or laying across their desk, you know, eating cold sandwiches. I'm just satisfied with the way it turned out. I mean, the other side was wrong, and there's just no way my sister and I would have been able to take care of 10% of this case.
No.
I mean, you had yourself, you had your staff. I mean, you had a group of people on this.
Day and night. I know, we know this, that you guys just worked so hard.
I mean,
Now that I listen
because-
to all this, I'm gonna get a
because
cup
in
of
the
coffee.
in the end, you proved the other side was misrepresenting themselves, trying to lie,
lying.
and you proved them wrong. And you had them squirming in the end, and they knew it. They knew that you.
Swimming around like the snakes that they were.
Well, we wanna thank you, you've been great clients, and we're really
Proud
Absolutely.
to have you to
Absolutely.
represent you. Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
it. Appreciate it very
I
much.
will-
And if I ever
I
need you
will.
again, that's
And
who
I
I'm
will.
calling.
I certainly will pass the word along that you guys are the best.
Yes,
well, thank you.
hands down. If anybody ever needs a lawyer, call 'em. They're the man and the woman.
Women, yeah. Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.